guys don't know what this is, it's a mini monster truck. These things are getting pretty rare. And it's all blacked out. We're gonna put a paint job, I think, on it later. But that thing, what we have, I think it goes on the other side. I don't know if we're taking the chain off. Are we?
Yep.
So it's gonna be where the chain is. So it has a 212 motor on it, and has wires for the lights. It has some nice lights on it. Right here, we don't know if they work, but we gotta get everything. And then here's where we drive. We're gonna get the starter and switches. Hopefully we'll be ordering those here. So let's put this thing on. Alright, we're gonna take this body off here, and we're gonna be then getting to the back and putting this torque converter on. Juggernaut torque converter. So let's take this body off. Alright, we got the body off. This looks like a tank somehow, I don't know. It looks weird. Cool. But now we have access to everything that we need. We're gonna take this chain off, and we gotta get to this, take this off, and then that torque converter thing goes on to these holes right here. So let's try to get this apart. All right, so most of you guys, if you guys are having trouble taking out the old clutch, or your clutch, and can't get it off because the drive shaft is moving on you, take your a screwdriver, or not a screwdriver, one of these things, and whack it with a hammer a couple times, and it should just come loose just like that. So if you can't get it off because the thing is rotating on you, find the tight spot and just whack it with a hammer on that, and should be good. Just like that. It's a bit getting worn out, but we're gonna get this thing slapped on hopefully tonight, and let's see the process. All right, we were not expecting to do this because it's supposed to be a 20-30 minute deal, and now we're taking the motor off because they put the motor this way, and if it was this more, like right on the edge with this thing in the same, we would have been fine. But we gotta raise it so that thing can sit perfectly without hitting that. So, yeah. Bigger project that we were expecting, but we will see you guys when we get the motor off. Okay, it's the next day. Back on this, we are cutting 6-inch mounts to get the engine up higher so it will go in line with the chain. It'll be pretty easy, so let's get to it. Alright, so change of plans. We figured out that we don't need to put those spacers to lift the motor up to get, let's see what was catching here. This bottom, kind of like this, was catching on the frame. So we just cut that off, so now it is golden. Don't need to do that, and we'll be ripping pretty soon. This is what was, it's literally that thick. So we're gonna get all that, see if this thing moves. And I think the tires maybe should come tomorrow, but I'm gonna take these off, and because those are just extra pedals for little ones to use, but we're gonna add an attachment we could just put on here. So that's all. Then So stay tuned. We're gonna get this motor bolted up. Show you guys when we're done bolting it up. Alright guys, so we just put this Juggernaut, what's it called?
Torque converter.
Torque converter on this mini monster truck on a 212 motor cc, and we didn't know what the setup you'll need for this, so we came, it had a motor, so we thought like, oh, it should work. And we put the tires on it, and without the torque converter, it didn't even move me in it with the tires in it. But this, we just tried it. Moves my dad in it pretty quick. He wasn't full throttle. I wasn't full throttle. We were just ripping. So stay tuned for tomorrow. This is me part 1. Part 2 is gonna be tomorrow. And when you see this, we're gonna get the tires hopefully, and we're gonna put that back on, I think. And what else we're getting? Tires and
Wheels and tires tomorrow.
Wheels and tires tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. Like and subscribe to see part 2 tomorrow. See you guys next time.